Amber Heard and Johnny Depp's courtroom showdown isn't over just yet. On Thursday, July 21st, the actress officially notified the court that she plans to appeal the verdict. Depp's team, however, doesn't seem concerned the ruling will be overturned. The jury listened to the extensive evidence presented during the 6-week trial and came to a clear and unanimous verdict that the defendant herself defamed Mr. Depp in multiple instances. A spokesperson for Depp said following Amber's move, "We remain confident in our case and that this verdict will stand." And from the corridors of justice, it seems all isn't sailing smoothly for the Justice League star. Rumors have that the Court of Appeal isn't interested in lending an ear to Amber's case. So will this case proceed, or will the appeal judges toss it over even before the case commences? Let's find out more. Oscar nominee Johnny Depp sued ex-wife Amber Heard for $50 million, claiming she defamed him in a 2018 Washington Post op-ed about being the survivor of sexual and domestic violence. The jury overwhelmingly agreed, siding with the Pirates of the Caribbean star on all 3 claims. Depp was ultimately awarded $10.35 million in damages. Amber was awarded $2 million over one defamatory statement Depp's lawyer made to the press, but lost 2 of her other counterclaims. In June, Judge Penny Askren told Amber's legal team the actress must pay the $8.35 million judgment with 6% interest per year for any appeal to formally move forward. The 36-year-old star has not yet paid the sum, and her attorney, Elaine Bredehoft, previously said her client doesn't have the money. Amber only had to pay $500 to start the process. It's unclear how the rest will be paid. On Thursday, July 21st, Amber's team filed a 3-page notice of appeal in Virginia court. The grounds for the appeal are not laid out in the document. Just recently, the actress's motion for mistrial, Amber's team claimed that there was an apparent case of mistaken identity with juror 15, but the judge declared there is no evidence of fraud or wrongdoing. And this has been touted as part of why the Court of Appeal isn't interested in rerunning the case, since Amber's appears to test the credibility of the American judiciary. Even legal experts don't believe Amber will win her appeal. Andre Munoz, a litigation partner with Romano Law, said, "This appeal is a Hail Mary attempt to get the verdict overturned, and it's incredibly unlikely to be successful. To win this appeal, Heard will have to establish to the appellate court that the verdict was plainly wrong or was without evidence to support it, an extremely high legal standard to meet. An added challenge for Heard is that the appellate court must review the evidence in the light most favorable to the plaintiff, thereby giving Depp the benefit of the doubt on all evidentiary matters," he explains. Legal analyst Emily D. Baker also notes that appeals are generally unsuccessful. It will be interesting to see what rulings or legal theories Heard's team puts forth. So far, they've been wholly unsuccessful in their post-trial motions. Interestingly, Amber Heard's team keeps arguing that the jury verdict is inconsistent with the First Amendment. However, defamation isn't protected speech, and the jury decisively found Heard's statements defamatory, she adds. Even before she filed for the appeal, Amber's chances of emerging victorious in this non-ending legal tussle were already paper slim. The actress's post-trial interview with NBC's Savannah Guthrie damaged her chances of winning if she decided to appeal the court verdict in the highly publicized defamation case against Depp. And even worse, Amber is hated by millions across the globe, so deciding anything in her favor is likely to spark a serious hate process, and no one is willing to stand in that path of the fire, not even the judges in the Court of Appeal. Our Hollywood star has amassed more haters than Russian leader Vladimir Putin, so yeah, I totally understand the judges. So there you have it. In our upcoming videos, we'll be bringing you more of such amazing content, so be sure to subscribe to our channel so that you don't get to miss any of them.